everybody, it's Rob the History Smith here. I got a different little treat for you guys today. It's freezing, well it's not freezing, it's cold in Canada right now, so pardon the noise of the fan in the background. But let's get on to the first ever unboxing for my channel. So this came in, I ordered this a couple days ago, very fast shipping. So let's have a look. What do we have in the box? What's in the box? What's in it? Cutty. Careful. Open the end. I know what this is because I ordered it, but it's the first time I've ever seen them in person. And I say them. Whoop. They're both coming at the same time. It's twins! It's twins. Look at this, guys. It's the first time I've ever owned these. And I'll be doing a video on them later and doing a bit of a restoration on these. These are M72 Laws. I do believe they're the first generation. They have some issues. As you can see, they have holes in them. These were used for training purposes. This one has a bigger hole in the back. And on the other side, it's got some tape. I don't know why it has tape. Ugh, that tape is going to be a pain in the butt. It looks like they're using the tape as a cover of some sort. Anyways, tape's off. This one, the rubber's damaged, so I gotta fix that. There we go, extend it. Rear sight. Front sight. Front sight's been damaged, but that's kind of common for something like this. These sights were originally radioactive, so they're actually supposed to be snapped off, the earliest ones. But it looks like this was modified. So anyways, gotta fix that or replace those. Firing mechanism. Works. Push that down to collapse. There we go. Anyways, there you go, guys. The future projects. What I want to do is I'm going to restore one of these, get it out the door, and hopefully make some of my money back on these. And I'm going to turn the other one into the ability to fire model rockets. So there you guys go. What to expect in a couple weeks. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and you'll see more of this in the future.